Well, it is another hot and steamy day here in the Ozarks, and of course, anybody that has viewed my past construction video disaster, um, it is now July 14th. It rained a half inch last night. Still have water damage in the building, and the way you can see from the side building to the actual building itself, they did not reinstall the roof properly. They offset it. They brought it down a few inches. That's why it has all the holes in it. And that's why it's not connected right there between the two buildings. So, I've never mentioned any names before, but I will now. This is Douglas County, Missouri. The construction people, they go by the name of Townsend and Scottie Eaves. Their company name that they have recently come up with is called Redneck Construction. I'm glad I could finance this little diabolical endeavor of theirs. As of today, I have not heard from them. They left a guy out here to finish digging. He has since left, but at the end of this day, they are fired. I'm not having them do any more damage than that has already been done out here. Also, apparently this isn't just me. This is coming out of their own mouths and the own mouths of their workers. That apparently this week, 2 nights ago, they were working on a man's roof out East 14. Instead of finishing the job and getting his roof back on, knowing that rain was coming, they ended up having to go back out there at 4 o'clock in the morning and tarping the man's roof because it was raining inside his house. There was also a story a couple of weeks ago. The reason they couldn't come out here was because some of their workers was painting someone's porch red, and they did not put anything up between the porch and the house and ended up with red paint all over someone's white vinyl siding of their home. So I have let the building supply company know what has happened out here. But these stories, the other 2 stories I just told you, came out of their own mouths. Like they had no shame. So, just putting the word out there, if you know these people, don't hire them at all. Or you'll end up with something like this. See you later. July 13th. Rained a half inch last night. Water came through, the hay is wet. Silicone has fell from up here. And when it did, it came through and leaked all on the inside of the building. Still holes all through the roof, filled with silicone, but that's not a fix. Silicone that was not put in, spray foam not put in properly. Melting and dripping from the seams. Don't know what we're doing. Still leaking in the corner.